Had tropical moisture that rolled over the southeast within the last week, and that has helped to increase that rain and thunderstorm potential astronomically in some cases, right? Like just by a lot. And we had several inches too much flooding also for the last weekend. This weekend coming up, we may see a shift in that pattern. So that's what we're hopeful for, kind of quiet things down just a little bit. But showers and thunderstorms for you right now. Severe thunderstorm watches are up and warnings too. Lots of those happening now in Charleston, West Virginia. You go into Beckley too. This is that line, that first wave that we're concerned about. The next wave of storms will come in possibly late evening. So for the afternoon, we're gearing up for some heavy rain. Could impact folks in Stewart, Martinsville, the northern Piedmont, slides south and east through parts of the Triad. And the flood watch is up until 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. We're also looking at some of that smoke trying to mix into our air space over the next couple of days, and we're watching for that even through Thursday as we start to see rain chances drop off a little bit. Our morning hours, we may see some of that wildfire smoke from the Pacific Northwest impacting us. And so air quality levels when it comes to ozone also expected at least in the moderate category this week, if not higher at times, as we see more sunshine through later in the week. All right, shower and storm chances right now. We're seeing some of that start to peak in north of the Patrick County area in Virginia, and eventually for folks in Mount Airy, Wilkesboro, Elkin a little later today. Heat index temperatures, it's hot. 94 degrees in North Wilkesboro, 96 in Greensboro, 94 as we head east toward Burlington for feels like temperatures right now. Extreme heat alerts are up at the beaches currently too, with heat advisories until 8 o'clock there. In the Piedmont Triad, we increase our storm and thunderstorm possibilities as we go through the afternoon hours, feeling more like the mid to upper 90s. We keep on shower and thunderstorm possibilities through the overnight hours too, so keep those digital devices charged. Upper 70s in the mountains and feels like temperatures that'll be in the low 80s, and those clouds starting to push in right now for you. The showers and the storms may start after the 1 o'clock hour in the mountains and along the North Carolina Virginia border. And talking about the heat index temperature, yeah, hot upper 90s to low 100s. It is going to be hot out there the next several days. So lots to talk about. We've got rain and storms with severe weather threats. We also have the heat making us feel that much more uncomfortable. Here's your severe thunderstorm index. We're talking about a slight risk today. This covers the entire viewing area from Boone all the way through Burlington, and a risk of damaging wind is the top level threat, in addition to the flash flooding risk that we know we already have in place. And that flash flooding risk is a little bit stronger for folks in Virginia and West Virginia, but still can't rule out that some of these storms may produce those 2 to 3 inches per hour that we have seen recently. So we've got good tropical moisture still in place and energy coming in from the north and west, and we'll have a couple of waves. So we might go through one round of showers and storms through late afternoon, then have another one as we go into late evening. So I want you to be prepared for that, and possibly a storm or two overnight that may become severe with some damaging wind threats. So water vapor showing you mid-level wind patterns right now. We're getting that going out of the west to northwest, and so that's the flow, and that's why some of those showers and storms will fall through the region as we get you through the afternoon hours. This is just a guide. Some of our forecast models not handling this terribly well. Here's that 7-day forecast. We have impact days Tuesday, Wednesday for severe thunderstorms. It's hot all the way through into the weekend and still humid. Rain chances drop off a touch for the weekend.